Hi guys, today I've come to a Thane Centre. यार बहुत sad दिखता है खाली सेंटर देख के. And notification have come from CMAT that you can edit your information. So what all information you can edit, what all changes we can do, let's look at all these changes. And I will walk you through the center as well, क्योंकि ये सेंटर हमारा एक साल से बंद है यार. So let's start with the CMAT का changes. Hi guys, the NT have released the correction window for the CMAT exam. Yeah, I personally feel this is just an attempt to delay the things further. कि आपको जो changes करनी है कर सकते हो from 4th to 7th. But I think in a good way कि at least चलो कुछ start तो यार कुछ तो क्या लोगों ने at least some activity is going on. So correction window where if you want to add the additional innovation entrepreneurship डालना है तो डाल सकते हो. If you take my advice, please do not add anything because it's a pure theory. It's a pure theoretical subject. इसका score भी count नहीं होने वाला. जब score ही count नहीं होने वाला, तो why to waste my time? 4th to 7th up to 5 p.m. you can do that, and submission of fee up to 11 p.m. Okay. So and they will make all the effort to assign you the center which you have taken. You can change the center. Everything can be changed, and form will be accepted up to 5 p.m. Okay, so these are the details what is given in the notice which they have released on their site. Okay, now let's look at what all changes we can do. Alright, the moment you log in from your login ID, it will show you that do you want to do all the changes, calculation allowed only for those candidates who have completed the steps and paid the fees. I agree, and it will take you to the page. And surprisingly, you can edit everything. In the CAT paper, they also give you the window to edit, but editing is only required to a few things. Here you can edit everything. You can change your name also. You can change your father name, mother name. तो किसी को अपने डैड या मॉम को लेके डाउट था तो यू कैन चेंज योर मॉम और डैड का नेम आल्सो यहाँ पे. तो ऑल द चेंजेस दे आर लाइक टू डू. फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग आई फील दिस इज फर्दर डिलेइंग द प्रोसेस, बट ठीक है यार, चलो कुछ भी करो तो सही. कुछ तो पता चले कि क्या हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि पब्लिक अभी क्या बोले कि कहीं कैंसिल ना हो जाए. ठीक है, तो उसकी आप टेंशन मत लो, कैंसिल नहीं होगा, एग्जाम सब होगा. सो वंस दिस इज सबमिटेड, 7th इज द लास्ट डेट. आई बिलीव मार्च एंड में आके एग्जाम होगा. मार्च एंड या अप्रैल फर्स्ट वीक में एग्जाम होने की डेट की संभावना है. दैट्स माय पर्सनल व्यू. ऑलराइट, सो इफ यू हैव एनी मोर क्वेश्चन यू कैन आस्क मी इन द कमेंट्स. ऑल द बेस्ट. That's the main entry point of our center. So we have a 2500 square feet campus in Thane. So this is our classroom number 1. And then we have an office as well, so you can see my staff sitting here. And this is classroom number 2. ये मेरा cabin था. This was supposed to be my office, which then converted into a library, then finally is converted into a storeroom now. तो सारे दुनिया भर के AC वेसी सब यहाँ पे आता है. So all your books are issued from here. So this is our main place where we issue the books from. So ये हमारा पूरा books का storeroom है. तो CAT का pro books, all the books are here. And this is my main classroom. I just love to teach it. ये सेंटर एक थाने, एक दादर का पुणे का ऑफिस, पुणे का क्लासरूम are my 2 favorite places where I love to teach. This has a capacity of almost 100 students. So all my workshop normally used to happen here, and hopefully once upon a time आगे जाके यहाँ पे होगा वापस. And ये बीच में एक और क्लासरूम है. So that total 4 classrooms, 3 classrooms and 1 hall at our branch. Bye.